Mau! Happy birthday! Welcome to the golden era! Anyway, I just wanna say that I miss you so much. I miss our friendship. I know maraming nagbago. Hindi lang edad, hindi yung alam mo na, buhay-buhay. But I'm thankful to God for those years that He blessed me with. You are my best friend. You will always be my best friend. And alam mo yun, alam mo how much I love you, how much I'm thankful for your kindness, your love that you've shown me all these years. So I wanna wish you the best. I wanna wish you more joy, more peace, more of God's blessings. Enjoy mo yung celebration. You deserve it. I hope you feel all the love. You know, God bless you. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mau! It's your 50th birthday. I was about to sleep and I remembered you, my dear friend. So sabi ko, I need to greet my friend. Baka makalimutan ko. Sis, you deserve all the happiness on your 50th birthday. And I'm so happy that you are so blessed with a wonderful family, with your sister, Maricel with you, your mom who is still alive, and your husband who is very supportive of you. We cannot ask for anything more. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Just always remember that you have your friends here in the Philippines who will always be happy and wishing you everything you desired for. Happy birthday! We love you so much, sis!
Happy birthday, Mau.
Hello, Tita Mau. On behalf of the Venus family, we wish you a blessed birthday. Sapay ko mata para buran nakalatan ni Apo, ken ti pamilyam iti na yung pagkapanagbiag, ken iti adupeng a bendisyon. We are also praying for your successful operation, Tita. And again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless you always. See you soon po.
Happy 50th, Maureen! You're celebrating your 50th today, and then after 2 weeks, shot mood. Ay, may gawin din my friend. Golden tayo. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Sister Maureen! Enjoy your birthday celebration. God bless you more.
Hi, Mau. Congrats on hitting 50. Welcome to the era of squeaky, cracking, and popping joints. Pero don't worry, but those are just the new soundtrack of our body. Anyways, wishing you all the best on your 50th birthday and have a blast. Happy birthday!
Happy golden birthday, Mom! I wish you all the best in life, good health, success, and happiness. Enjoy your special day, take care, and God bless you!
Happy 50th, Mau. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Love you.
Hello, Ate Mau. How are you? It's been a while. Happy 50th birthday. I hope you enjoy life to the fullest and take care of your health. And I hope to see you soon and reconnect. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi, Mau. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, my friend. You may look 50, but absolutely amazing till now. Cheers to 50 years and many more fabulous years to come. Happy birthday, Mau. Love you. Miss you.
Hi, Mau. Welcome to the club. Happy 50th birthday. May your 50th be the start of more amazing things in your life and more blessings to come. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, my dear Maureen. Cheers on your 50th. I know, or I wish you all the best. And ang importante, good health. Wish to see you. Sana makapasyal ka dito sa Barcelona. Love you.
Hello, Sis Maureen. Happy birthday. Thank you for being our friend. You are such a good person. You have a very good heart. Thank you so much for when you had your vacation here in the Philippines. You made way. You made time with us. And thank you so much for all your kindness and love. Happy birthday, Sis Mau. May all the goodness in the universe fill your hearts. Thank you so much. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Mau. Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you all the more happiness and long life, syempre. And sana you're happy this day and this day forward. Happy birthday. And tandaan, age is just a number.
Birthday, Tita Mau.
Ayan. Gumanong ka na lang. Ayan na. Dali ma, gumanong ka na. Happy birthday, Ate Mau! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Mau.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Ate Mau. Wishing you more birthdays to come. And also, on your birthday, more love and also from your family and also more handaan. Pa-deliver po dito sa Alberta. And I hope that I could see you soon. And also, so that I can show my daughter to you. Oh, by the way, it's already night in here. And yeah, tulog na po siya. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Mau. Happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best, especially on your 50th birthday. I'm blessed and thankful to be your classmate and to be your friend. Again, happy birthday. Greetings from Ventura, California. I'm here at work. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday, cousin Maureen, from your cousin Mike here in Australia.
Bye.
And more birthday to come. Happy birthday, Mike!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maureen. Pamangkin, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Kahit na wala ang papa niyo, naaalala ko pa rin kayo. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan, mga pamangkin. Matanda na ang tituhahin ninyo. Pero ayos pa naman ang katawan ko, kaya ko pa. Nakakapag-jogging pa ako. Ingat kayo dyan sa Canada, pamangkin. Kayo ng mga magkapatid at mga asawa nyo at mga anak. Happy birthday na muli.
Hey, Mau. Awana mo dito, di datay ko mga papasyar, di ang lumalit na nalpas mo yung pansyong ni Papa yun, ni Mamin, dahil sumot pang riririyo, so nga malpas sa tamalam. So nga, kulpiyak to, happy birthday, tino sumang puta kon. Nakong, kita mo tapag ima, malpas to lang at December, at panagpoperan mo. Musta kayo mo, Maricel? Dahil nyo rin ang nayo, awan tagsakit. Happy birthday, enjoy.